Good morning, all of you. We are working on problems related to conductance. Okay, conductance of electrolytic solutions. Please go through it. Now, this is a problem. The electrical resistance of a column of 0.05 moles per liter NaOH solution of diameter 1 centimeter and length 50 centimeters is 5.55 into 10 power 3 ohms. Calculate its resistivity, conductivity, and molar conductivity. 3 problems are included here. Right? So, therefore, 3 questions are included here. Now, let us go through all of them. The first one, what and all given, that let us see. See, concentration, molarity, how much more? 0.05 m. This is given. Next one, diameter. Diameter 1 centimeter. Therefore, radius, see, diameter is that much. Then radius is how much? 0.5 centimeters. Is it not? Then length L is given. Length L 50 centimeters. Okay, and then R is also given. R how much man? 5.55 into 10 power 3 ohms. Then we have to calculate resistivity rho as well as conductivity, that is specific conductance K, as well as molar conductivity, like this. So totally 3 answers, minimum answers you have to find out. Come on, go through it. So therefore, here lambda m, if you want to calculate, what is the formula you have? K into 1000 divided by concentration. Concentration is known, but K is not known. Therefore, first you have to calculate the K. But whereas, what about the K? So to calculate the K is nothing but reciprocal of specific resistance. This one. So first you have to calculate this. So let us go through all of them now. See, first of all, so the R is given 0.5. Now, A, cross-sectional area, how much it is? Cross-sectional area, A, how much it is? So, for this, we have the formula, pi R square. Okay, so that is pi R square, that is, right? So, therefore, let us calculate pi value, how much, ma? 20/7, so 3.14 into 0.5 square, it is equal to A, that is. So the A value, you will get it as 0.785 centimeter square. So A is obtained now. A is obtained. So therefore, next one, say cell constant G star, it is equal to L by A. What is L value? L is 50 divided by A 0.785, that is 785, that is. So remember L by A, and then let us take the formula. See, R is equal rho into L by A, because we know that R is directly proportional to length of that object and inversely proportional to its cross-sectional area. And then, so proportionality constant rho. So what is rho here? Rho is nothing but, you can say rho is, you can say specific resistance or resistivity. So therefore, see, from this equation, the rho, it is equal to, okay, so R into A by L. So suppose if they need G star, you can simplify this. Otherwise, say like this, rho is equal R into A by L. So now the rho value calculate now, the rho is equal to, it is equal to What is the R value? Resistance is given 5.55 into 10 power 3 into A by L. What is A? That is already calculated. 0.785 divided by C. Then L. L is how much? 50. So it is equal to, that is, it is equal to. So therefore, the value you will get it 87.135. So that is, say, ohm into centimeter. Ohm into centimeter. This is first answer. Okay. Yeah. Then next one. Conductivity K. So K is nothing but reciprocal of resistivity. So therefore, 1 divided by 87.135. So it is equal to how much? That is 0.01148 Siemens centimeter inverse. That is okay, like this. Then this is the second answer. Second one, K. Conductivity. Next one, molar conductivity. So molar conductivity means lambda m, it is equal to K into 1000 divided by, say, 1000 divided by molar. So the K value is 0.1148 into 1000 divided by the concentration is given. The concentration is 0.05. 0.05. So it is equal to how much? So therefore, the value you will get it as 229.6 Siemens centimeter square mole inverse. That is, this is. Suppose if they want answer in SI units, Therefore, what do you write now? Very simple. Say in SI units means 229.6 into 10 power minus 4 Siemens meter square mole inverse. In that way, you can. That is. So it is the way totally 3 answers. So I said now, even say in this conductance, direct questions. You see, you can feel lucky whether it is a PU, otherwise the competitive exam, because direct formula will be there. Yeah, you can take the screenshot now. Come on, I am going to rub it. You take the screenshot. Yes. Next one. Now let us go through about our material. Let me take our material. Yes, ma'am. Say the subjective exercise from our Chaitanya material. from our Chaitanya material. The subjective exercise I am saying. Now, see, listen. See. Write down. Calculate the equivalent conductance of of NH4 OH at infinite dilution using Kohlrausch law. Given that lambda naught values of NaOH, NaCl and NH4Cl are respectively 217.4, 108.9 and 129.8 ohm inverse, then centimeter square. Of course, per mole. Otherwise equivalent, no problem. So that is the problem now. You please see. Now here only the word equivalent conductance is given. Okay. So now here all of them are monovalent only. NaOH, NaCl, NH4Cl. After this, let us have a discussion on equivalent conductance and molar conductance. Okay. So now presently let us take like this. See, we have to calculate lambda naught NH4OH. So therefore, see, three substances, what and all given? NaOH is given, NaCl are given, and then NH4Cl. Three of them are given. Now let us see NH4OH. So where do you find NH4? Here NH4Cl. So lambda naught NH4Cl. That one. OH is in NaOH. So lambda naught NaOH. Right. So now we need NH4 and then OH only. We don't want Na and Cl. So you subtract that. Lambda naught NaCl. So therefore, see now you just substitute the values and find out the answer. So now see NH4Cl, how much? The last one. See 129.8 plus NaOH, the very first value. See 217.4 minus NaCl 108.9. It is the value. So like this. So therefore, you will get the answer Siemens centimeter square. Of course, per equivalent inverse. That is. It is the way you will do it. So the answer it is given as 238. 238. You can take the screenshots and then now see, actually we know molar conductance, is it not? Molar conductivity, but see equivalent conductivity some other care. So how to do that? One thing, see, suppose see the equivalent conductivity means you can say like this. equivalent conductivity K into 1000 by normality. That's all. Instead of molarity, you can take like that. It is the way. That is okay. And also, see one more thing. Normality and molarity, how they are related? Normality is equal to molarity into n factor. This is normality is equal to molarity into n factor always. Okay, that also please remember. Okay, so now this is the way. Equivalent conductivity, it is equal to K into 1000 by n. N, normality. Normality and molarity, how they are related? It is equal to molarity into n factor. What is n factor? See, that depends on the type of the substance you have taken. Suppose if you take acids. So for acids, basicity we write. So n factor is basicity, like that. And then see, suppose for bases, acidity. If it is a salt, so the charge. So just the magnitude, how many? So units of magnitude will be produced by either total cations or anions from one unit salt. That is, it is the way. Okay, so that is, please remember this one is okay. So now this one right now of this, let me move to the next problem. Come on, take the screenshot. I will grab it. Yes. Next one. See, the resistance of 0.1 N KCl, 0.1 N KCl solution is found to be 702 ohms. Okay, when measured in a conductivity cell, the specific conductance of 0.1 N KCl, 0.1 N KCl is 0.140807 ohm inverse, then meter inverse. Calculate the cell constant. So this is a problem. Come on, go through it, man. The resistance of 0.1 N KCl solution is found to be 702 ohms when measured in a conductivity cell. The specific conductance of 0.1 N KCl is how much? So that value is also given. What is the cell constant? So now let us take what and all given. You please observe. So concentration is given 0.1 N. Is it not? Then next one, see, resistance also given. The resistance is 702 ohms. That is, then specific conductance also given. K, how much? 0.14807. Please remember, in this part, see, especially the units are most important, because see, sometimes the problems, they may change in terms of the units also. Please, so see, put some concentration on this 0.7. So ohm inverse, then meter inverse per meter, then cell constant L by A, otherwise G star is how much? So direct problem. I said now, almost all direct problems. So what is the formula? Resistance is equal to rho L by A. Otherwise, rho L by A means G star. Is it not? So therefore, we want G star. So G star is equal to R divided by rho. Okay. Otherwise, R into 1 by rho. 1 by rho. What is 1 by rho? K. That is it not? 1 by rho is equal to K. The reciprocal of resistivity is nothing but conductivity. So therefore, G star is equal to. So substitute that values, R value direct 702 into K 0.14807. That is. So therefore, you will get the answer, and then the answer is, that is meter inverse per meter. You will get it. So the answer will be 103.9 per meter. That is. We just see all direct problems. Yes, I am going to rub it. Next one, from exercises, from neat material by exercises. Yes, if you have the IC material, in that one, see, page number 177, 171 page, 171 page, and then 76, a theory question. It's a theory question. See, the question is like this: lambda naught infinity. Okay, otherwise we can say of A to B electrolyte is dash. So, see, it is a theory question. I said A to B, some salt is there. That means, suppose, say, you can say Na2SO4 like that. Na2SO4, Na2S like that. So, for that limiting molar conductivity, how do you write? For any electrolyte, according to Kohlraasch law, what do you say? The limiting molar conductance of any electrolyte will be equal to the sum of the molar conductances provided by limiting molar conductance provided by all the ions present in that one. So therefore, see, now the solution we can say like this: A to B ionizes like this. 2A plus B 2 minus. So therefore, see, lambda naught A to B, it is equal to lambda naught A plus lambda naught B2 minus. Whereas here how many A plus 2? Therefore 2 into like this. 2 into the limiting molar conductance of A plus, then plus this one. So this is. So remember, this is also an important one. That is, how many ions are produced? Their sum we have to take. Their sum we have to take. Remember, that is. Okay. So that is another one. Then next one. So this is 76 mark. Problem number 76. Next problem, that is problem, see, same page number 171. Problem number 80. See 80. So here degree of dissociation of pure water is 1.9 into 10 power minus 9. Then see molar conductances of H plus and OH minus at infinite dilution or 200 Siemens centimeter square mole inverse and 350 centimeter square mole inverse respectively. Now molar conductance of water is. So that is a problem. Come on, study that problem, all of you. Yes, study that problem now. So first here what and all given? Just some. See Ka is given now. Ka, degree of dissociation of pure water. See, alpha is given. That is 1.9 into 10 power minus 9. Then next one, infinite dilution. So lambda naught H plus 200 Siemens centimeter square mole inverse, lambda naught OH minus 350, same units given, right? Then molar conductance. This they are asking. Lambda m is how much? So, what is the formula we have? Let us see. So now this is the data given. Is it not? This is the data given. So by combining these two, what do you get? Lambda naught m, we can get it. So lambda naught m, it is equal to. So it is nothing but lambda naught h plus lambda naught OH minus. So therefore, how much it is? 200 plus 350. So 550. That is Siemens centimeter square mole inverse. That is lambda naught m. And then lambda m. See, alpha is equal to lambda m by lambda naught m. Is it not? So lambda m is equal to alpha into lambda naught m. So what is alpha value? 1.9 into 10 power minus 9 into lambda naught m. Lambda naught m, that is 550. It is equal to. So Siemens centimeter square mole inverse. That is. It is the answer. Right? So that is the formula. Alpha is equal to lambda m by lambda naught m. You take the screenshot, ma? It is question number 80. Okay. Question number 80. It is question number 80. I said in your exercise. So in exercise 1, those are some little bit typical one. Let us go to the exercise 2. Exercise 2. Yeah, shall I rub it? Yeah, I am going to rub it, man. Page number 180. Page number 180. Question number 29. Question number 29. Yeah, see that the conductivity of 0.001 m acetic acid is 5 into 10 power minus 5 Siemens per centimeter, and lambda naught is 390.5 Siemens centimeter square mole inverse. Then calculate value of dissociation constant of CH3COOH. This is the question. Now that is the question. Say that so now what and all given? Concentration is given. How much? 0.001 m. Next one, conductivity K is given. 5 into 10 power minus 5. 5 into 10 power minus 5 Siemens centimeter inverse. Then lambda infinity, that also given. 390.5 Siemens centimeter square mole inverse. Then Ka, question mark. That is, say Ka means, so this one we have to calculate. So for Ka we have the formula like this. Ka is equal C into alpha square by 1 minus alpha. Is it not? So C already given, but alpha we do not know. Therefore, how to calculate alpha? So for alpha, what is the formula we have? Alpha is equal lambda m by lambda naught m. Again here also lambda m is given. So like this, lambda m. See, lambda naught m is given. Lambda naught m. But lambda m is not known. So how to calculate lambda m again? So lambda m is k into 1000 divided by concentration. That is right. So these are the three formulas. So first calculate lambda m. Calculate lambda m. Right. Lambda m. K value how much, ma? 5 into 10 power minus 5 into 1000 divided by, see, the concentration is how much? 0.001. That is. Okay, this is 10 power 3 minus 3. 10 power 6. So overall it becomes as 50 lambda m. Therefore, alpha 50 by 390.5 alpha. How much? This is after alpha k. That is, it is the way. So in that way you do that. So this is the way. So always just you PU exam, no problem, calculator will be there. Whereas competitive exam means very carefully we should do. Carefully in the sense, see, slightly sometimes approximation like that. See, approximation means sir, how sir? Suppose this is here, 390 is there. 390 means around 400 or not. So like that, so it is equal to 400. That means 4 into 10 square, and accordingly we will be doing that is. But whereas say you should have very strong hold on the numericals. Then only that approximation and all those you can apply. Right? So that is the problem number 29. Problem number 29. Yes, take the screenshot. I will proceed to the next problem now. Next one. Next one. Yes, I am going to rub it. Next one. See 30. Problem number 30. The distance between two electrodes of a cell is 2.5 centimeters and area of each electrode is 5 centimeters square. Okay, so direct question, the cell constant is. So the cell constant, say cell constant, it is G star. It is equal to L by A. What is L given? 2.5 divided by 5. This is the answer. Okay, so 0.5, that is 6 centimeter inverse, like this. Direct question it is. So we are working on the exercise 2. Exercise 2, right, ma'am? In exercise 2, 29th and the 30th are finished. Then tomorrow the remaining questions we can proceed. Okay, thank you all of you. Have a good day. Okay, take care now. Bye bye.